Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Among Us mod menu, how to always be imposter. We're going to be using an app called Among Us Plus Plus. Super insane, works on both iOS and Android. It's completely free. You get this whole list of settings, which includes always imposter, guys. So it's super cool, and I can't believe it actually works. I mean, this is just crazy. So yeah, as you can see, I have it on my Android. It's super insane, Among Us Plus Plus. And I'm going to show you on my iPhone as well. You can see that it is just crazy with this whole list of settings that you get. And if I go to my home screen, you can see. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it from the beginning. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete it from my iPhone. So let me just go ahead and do that. And before you download this on your device, you want to go ahead and open up the settings app. And there's a few settings you have to go ahead and change. So let me open the app and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So once you're in settings, guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go down to the general section. So let me just go down here to general, as you can see. And once you're in the general section, what you need to do is look for this option called background app refresh. And you have to make sure that background app refresh is on. This is really important because it allows apps to go ahead and refresh their content. So just make sure you have it on. You can have it on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi mobile data. It doesn't matter. And once you've done that, all you have to do is go ahead and go back to the general section. And this time we're looking for a different setting. So let me go back to general. And what you want to do is find this setting called date and time. So you can see right here it says date and time. Go ahead, press on that, and just make sure that set automatically is on. This should be on by default, but if it's off, make sure you go ahead, turn it on. Once you've done that, you're all set, and all you have to do now is go ahead and go down to the battery section. So let me just go down here to battery. And once you're in the battery section, guys, what you want to do is make sure that this option called low power mode is off. You'll know it's on because your battery percentage will turn yellow. So make sure, guys, that low power mode is off. And once you've done that, all you have to do is go ahead and go down to where it says App Store. So let me go down to the App Store section right here. And once you're in the App Store section, what you want to do is just make sure that automatic downloads is on. This should be on by default as well, but if it is off, make sure you go ahead, turn it on. Once you've done that, you're all set, and all you have to do now is go ahead and go to this amazing website that I'm about to show you. So let me just go to my browser, and I'm going to show you where you need to go. So the website is called xenoapps.net. It has a ton of different mods for apps and games. It's a super cool site. You want to go to the search bar and just type in Among Us. And when you find it, you want to press install. Now, after you press install, it's going to show you this progress bar. It's going to start to download onto your device. Now, as long as you have a decent internet connection, this shouldn't take too long. But once it reaches the end, you'll get this little circle going around and around, so you'll know it's working. So let's just give it a minute for the progress bar to reach the end here, as you can see. All right, it's almost there. We're just going to give it a second to go ahead and finish. All right, almost done. Okay, here we go. And now it's at the end, so we should get that little circle going around and around any second now, guys. And there it goes. Now, after this, you'll get a prompt to install a configuration profile onto your device. So let's give it a second, and here it is. Do you want to allow this? You want to go ahead, press allow. And after you do that, you just want to press close. And now we just have to reopen settings to install the profile into our device. So when you open settings, you're going to see a message at the top that says profile downloaded. You want to go ahead and press on that. And then all you have to do, guys, is go ahead and press where it says install. And after you press install, all you have to do is go ahead and enter your iPhone password. So let me do that right here. And then you just want to press install again. And then there's one final install prompt in red. Press that, go to your home screen, and you'll have it on your device. So now I'm going to show you guys how to download this. You have an Android phone. The settings for Android are a bit different. So let me just go ahead and show you guys. Let's put down my iPhone. And you can see I got Among Us Plus Plus on my Android. So I'm going to go ahead and delete it just so I can show you how to get it from the beginning. You want to open up settings before you download it. And once you're in there, what you need to do is go with the search bar, and we need to look for this word. So the word is unknown. We need to make sure that this option called install unknown apps is on, because the web browser we're using to go to the site needs permission to install apps. So click install unknown apps, and then go ahead and just scroll down until you see it in this menu right here, install unknown apps. Go ahead, press on that. And then find the web browser. So for many of you guys, that's probably Google Chrome. It's fine if you're using a different one, but you can see most of these apps are not allowed, but I have allowed Chrome. So make sure it's allowed. And when you click on it, you'll get this option allow from this source. So make sure that's on, guys. I'm going to turn it off just to show you when you turn it on for the first time, you get this important warning screen. So either wait it out or just press accept. Allow from this source for the web browser you're going to use to go to the site needs permission to install apps. So make sure it's on. And then just go ahead and go with the same website as on iPhone. That's xenoapps.net. Go with the search bar and type in Among Us. Now, when you find it, you want to press install. and then just wait for the progress bar to reach the end, and once it's at the end, you'll get that prompt to install the Android APK onto your device. So let's give it a second, and here it comes any moment now, guys. Do you want to download it? You want to go ahead and press download, and after you do that, wait for it to download, go ahead, press open, and it will say, do you want to install this application? Go ahead, press install. And if you have a newer phone like mine, it might have an inbuilt virus scanner. It will scan it just to make sure it's safe, so give it a second, and it should come back totally safe. So let's give it a moment. And as you can see, guys, it worked. Now we have it in our Android. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead, share it with your friends, get the word out with this crazy method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. Super insane. I'll be seeing you guys later, and peace out.